All right, anytime you're doing function composition, you're going to start on the inside. So notice on number 1, I have g of f of 4. So I'm going to figure out what is f of 4. So in order to do that, remember I just replace x with 4, and I get negative 8. And so then I do what is g of negative 8, the result from f of 4 to evaluate my g function. So negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. So g of f of 4 would equal negative 12. Next one again, I start in the middle, so g of negative 1. So if I do g of negative 1, I have negative 1 minus 4, which is negative 5. I now do h of negative 5. So therefore I have 5 minus 2 times negative 5, which ends up being 5 plus 10. So h of g of negative 1 is equal to 15. You're not multiplying the two functions together, you're actually plugging one into the other function.